SpinQ Gemini Mini. Mini Pro is a portable nuclear magnetic resonance quantum computer, specifically designed for quantum computing education and demonstration. It features miniaturization and stable operation at room temperature. With a built-in high-definition touchscreen, all operations can be performed directly on the device without connecting additional equipment, achieving integrated control. The device supports complete quantum logic gate operations. All 1-qubit and 2-qubit quantum logic gate experiments can be run on the real quantum hardware. It also supports real device demonstrations of custom quantum algorithms and typical quantum experiments such as Bell inequality verification. Additionally, SpinQ Gemini Mini Pro supports quantum simulation experiments with up to 8 qubits, providing comprehensive support for quantum computing experimental learning and mastering the application of quantum logic gates. All conducted experiments are recorded in the system. The device is equipped with a comprehensive set of quantum computing learning courses, including content on quantum computing background knowledge, qubits, and quantum algorithms, facilitating users to quickly understand quantum computing. Corresponding supporting course exercises are provided for the quantum courses. The combination of learning and practice enables users to quickly master quantum computing knowledge. The device is compatible with more diverse usage scenarios and supports connection to SpinQ's self-developed software toolkit SpinKit for quantum programming. It adopts a visual graphical quantum programming interface and a Python-based classical quantum hybrid programming framework, allowing more flexible design of quantum algorithms and providing users with a progressive learning scheme from basic to advanced levels. Based on nuclear magnetic resonance principles, the device supports quantum pulse signal monitoring and Rabi oscillation experiments. It also includes a one-click automatic calibration function, which lowers the usage threshold and ensures the stable operation of the device. SpinQ Gemini Mini Pro is suitable for various scenarios, such as quantum computing experimental teaching, popular science demonstrations, and interest-driven research, contributing to the popularization and development of quantum education.